In this video, I will walk through some applications of Wolfram Alpha. Wolfram Alpha has several advantages for so you can use it for math, science, and technology. Let's take a look at some elementary math. Maybe I'm wondering what is 125 plus 375. I get the result as a number. I can also see it visualized in a number line to see how big of a jump each number is making and the final result. And I can see the number converted to a name. So maybe I'm going to enter a big example. And it will also give comparisons. The largest number in the Bible is said to be the number of angels, 1.2 times the fifth perfect number, 11 times the number of arrangements of a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, just to get some context to try to wrap your mind around how big 39 million is. It also converted to scientific notation. This is, it'll tell you the length of the integer. Do one more example. So maybe you've ever wondered how many people have ever lived. We have this is about 47 billion. So it looks like the number of people that have ever lived would be 47. I can ask for so I can also work calculations. Maybe I want to calculate 2.718 times 40.3. And these examples are available to get a feel for the kind of calculations Wolfram Alpha can do. So maybe I want to know what 7 to the power of 7 is. And just plug it in. Maybe I want to know 7 to the power of 7, 7 to the power of 8, 7 to the power of 9. And I can get these different results. I can find the square root of a number. Maybe I'm looking for a times table. I can download the image. This option may or may not be available depending on the level, whether premium is available. I can do arithmetic with many different operators. So I can also generate an addition table. I can customize this image. For some reason it seems like this is not working. I'll have to contact Wolfram Alpha. If you have a suggestion, you can write a message and they will listen to your feedback. They're always trying to improve the functionality. You can get maybe divide numbers, you can get them in percent form. It'll approximate it to a fraction. It'll demonstrate the order of operations.